Welcome to the community of Jackson, New Jersey. During the coronavirus outbreak, Tom Beninate noticed how the resourceful Jackson, New Jersey community displayed their talents online as a result of the stay-at-home executive order. Through social media and other internet services, folks allowed people into their homes to show their back-to-basics cooking and baking and other projects, often enlisting family members to assist. Artists shared their work, and musicians allowed us to listen to their music. Home-based business owners got into the act as well. About 2 weeks ago, Tom decided to feature these inspiring local efforts and created this original music video. He wrote and recorded the song Coronavirus Pushback number 19. Recording artists Bob Suter and Warren Keller volunteered to participate. From their home studios, they each recorded a track. Those tracks were sent via the internet to Tom, who then included them in the song. Video footage was shot and includes photos of people who wanted to show their support for this music video. The entire project was completed without anyone leaving their home. Thank you for watching this video. Special thanks to the recording artists and to all of you who allowed us to use your photos. I'm Susan Castellano, and I wish you healthy days and nourishing ways.
As the credits roll by, I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who participated in my original music video featuring the song Coronavirus Pushback number 19. I am deeply moved by the support and encouragement you conveyed to me. Your inspiration was the energy that fueled my efforts to put in the long hours required to complete this project in such a short time. I reached out to as many people as possible. If you would like to be included in an updated version, I'd love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed watching this music video and got a bit of relief from dealing with these very difficult times. We will get through this. This is Tom Beninate, wishing you and your family the best of health.